If I want to stop, I can tell him to stop or what?
Nope, you just keep going because that's what professionals do.
Shh, I'm not professional.
Clearly.
Gosh. Okay. Hello, my fams. Today is the mime. What you like?
Mama, so look at me through the mirror. You'll look into the mirror, but at my camera.
Don't worry, my
Now
guy.
you know how it
Okay.
feels.
Hello, Hunnay.
Clinique, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Without you, we would not have
Skincare. My fam asked a lot of questions. I love it so much. I'm gonna tell you about my skin, okay?
even on my own video about my skincare, you all asked for
For Mama Mai.
Mama Mai skincare. It's a little shady. I'm glad you're honest. But I do kind of want you to see this because I see this on the daily. Every day, this beautiful, nice bathroom counter that I put here for Mama Mai is ransacked with oils, treatments, weird ingredients from the Asian supermarkets because my mom DIYs all of her skincare. You asked for it, you're getting it. Mama Mai's skincare regimen.
My gosh, I can't believe it.
Shout out to my fam out there because y'all made the morning skincare video one of our most watched videos. So thank you for that. And you also tagged me about a woman that I wasn't aware of. Her name is Susan Yara, and she, I guess, kind of gives her 2 cents on other skincare videos because she's a skincare expert. Susan, thank you so much for watching. Hello, Hunnay.
You talking about Susan Jar?
Yara.
Yeah, whatever. I
Yeah.
love her lips. When you get injection, let me know because I'm gonna do like you, okay? Thank you. Anyway, now it's my show.
Now, Mama Mai Night, we actually used Clinique a lot when I was growing up. I always saw the light green packaging along your countertop.
And they always give a lot of sample. That's why I like it.
This is Clinique Smart Clinical MD. It's 2 formulas in 1 jar.
Wow, that's nice. I like that.
You love the purple, right?
Yeah, I love purple. You know what it's purple for? Puffing. Over here. When you have a back.
The white is for contouring and refining. So anywhere on your neck, or maybe even on, the concave areas of your face, you can actually contour your face with this cream. The purple is for any area, like you just said, under your eyes, you use the purple to kind of give it a more smoother look.
Right, that's very beautiful. I like that.
This moisturizer, Mom, is very advanced in that it's not just for your skin type, but it's also for your age and the shape of your face.
Yeah, get out. I know, I understand everything. Get out. Okay, this is my show right now. Welcome to Mama Mai show. I'm gonna show you about my skin right now. You see? How's it look? First of all, I'm gonna use a coconut. I'm gonna clean my face, okay?
Explain every step so everybody learns what you're doing, because remember, people,
Right now,
if they like it, they're gonna go home and copy you.
They always copy no matter what. I will remove my makeup with coconut cream or coconut oil.
You sure that's a lot?
Don't worry, that's very good. You know what I mean?
Why do you use coconut instead of like makeup remover?
I like smell this one. This one really good.
Why are you wiping upwards like that?
I go like this. You make my skin, like you massage to pull your skin go this way.
My mom always yells at me for washing my face so rough, by the way.
This one really good. You can eat it too.
What the
It's good. Coconut cream, coconut oil.
Wait, what does that taste like?
Tastes like coconut, okay?
Wow.
Now, don't, get out. That's really good. Don't worry about it.
Wow, it's really oily,
now,
guys.
That's the first thing, okay? Now, this is the honey.
So why are you doing honey next?
I want to clean more deep inside my skin.
And you use raw, real, organic honey.
Yes, you have to use the good one,
The
good
best
product.
original.
Otherwise, you mess it up your face, okay? The honey and this is ingredient to cook noodle soup.
Is that why the bathroom smells like you eat in here?
No! Get out!
If you know anything about Vietnamese food, we love pho. It's our signature soup. My mom is showing you sachets of spices to make soup. You put this into boiling water for like overnight with beef bones and you make
Right.
soup out of it. What are you about to...
I just opened the powder and put inside the honey.
What's in there?
Cinnamon and a lot of stuff. Don't worry, check Google, you will know what is it. Waste my time. So I mess it up, okay? A little bit
You
like
stir it
this.
up in the honey.
Uh-huh.
Oh
and
my
then put in your face. Like this, okay? The
Why
honey is
are you
too
putting
little.
food spices on your skin?
I like it. Smell good. This one is a herb. H-E-R-B.
The H is silent, Mom.
You put the whole thing like this, okay? You can leave it there for about 15 minutes.
You look like a big seagull took a dump on your entire face.
Who cares?
Ooh, you smell like Vietnamese soup.
Move it. Really, really good. You should put more honey, but I'm lazy.
So what does this do? It cleans it?
It's
Is
clean.
it
It clean.
exfoliating?
Yeah. Cleans everything, dirt, everything out.
Are you sure you're not making it dirtier?
No, it's dirty right now. Who cares? But the inside, your skin really good.
You sure food spices can go inside of your pores?
Yeah.
What do you think Susan is gonna say about this, Mom? Now she's gonna rip our video apart.
Who cares about her? How old is she? When she's about my age, she can talk. Right now, she's young, Forget about her. Okay.
This is true, Mom. You do have amazing skin. You really, really do. Fun fact, Mama Mai and I used to do honey masks with my grandmother. Every other weekend, my grandmother would come over and we would make honey masks. And they would be filled with brown sugar or rice kernels or some of these herbs. But honey is a beautiful humectant that actually draws in more moisture to your skin. Honey is one of the most natural, amazing antioxidants that you can put on your skin. One of the healthiest things you can...
Don't worry, keep talking.
What are you doing?
I just, play with my face. Yeah, you can leave it like that. You walk around, clean up the house, or do whatever for about 15 minutes. I'll be right back. Okay. Now, Mom might come back again. Okay? I'm gonna wash my face.
She thinks this is a TV show, like a sitcom.
You see, you can feel the sand. Look at the sand. That's the one from this one, the sand.
You mean the herbs
the herb, yeah,
are from the soup on your face?
Whatever. When you clean your face, you move up like this. You go this way. You know what I mean?
I like that you also use your fingers to have the softest pressure. Your middle finger and your ring finger.
Right.
You're making a big mess already, Mom.
Don't worry. Your show or my show. Get out.
I'm really thankful that Mama Mai and I have separate bathrooms. When I was growing up, we had one master bathroom and one guest bathroom, but we had 15 people living in the house. All the boys used the guest bathroom. Me and my mom and the aunts used her main master bathroom. One sink, just like this, all of us lined around each other, brushing our teeth. My mom took up the entire place, but she did always have the best skin.
You touch my skin right now. You feel tight.
Oh, it's the, by the way, when you've put honey on your face and you take it off like a mask, like 15 minutes, like my mom said, your skin is so tepid. It's beautiful.
Sometimes I use the lemon. I clean it. They have the acid.
So a lot of people use citric acids. They also use apple cider vinegar. My mom uses an actual lemon because she finds that the rinds help to exfoliate your face. You smell like a bowl of pho right now. I'm so hungry. If anybody doesn't know how to eat pho the correct way, you never order the bowl and just start eating, ever. They always give you a side of vegetables. They give you herbs, specific leaves that you're supposed to shred in there, and lemons. You need to take the bowl, you need to shred the leaves, put the bean sprouts on the bottom of the noodle so it cooks while you're eating it, and then you have to squeeze lemon. Then don't forget to spice it up with hoisin sauce if the broth isn't sweet enough. And then sriracha, our famous, beautiful hot sauce. And then some black pepper or white pepper if you're a G.
Now, you can use the sometimes when I put the strawberry, when I cut it.
So you did slices.
I put everything in my face.
Mom, are you gonna do that right now?
Hold on. I just show them. Go away. My gosh. You can put it in your face and you can lay down and watch Korean movie if you like to.
Mom, you cut them a little thick.
So I can eat. That's good. I'll go like this. You see that? See? You use the right one.
Don't bother Googling any of these tips because I promise you, nobody else is this crazy to do it.
Don't worry, she's gonna do it.
What do strawberries do for your skin, Mom? Talk to the camera.
Paw, whatever, the paws, What is it, the paw, P-O-R? I didn't eat.
It opens up your pores.
Yeah.
And then what do you do with that?
Not clean everything.
Strawberries do have citric acid, which is really good for your skin.
Just like a lemon, and then put in your neck, you know what I mean? Do everything. You see? With my 60 years old, I should have a beautiful skin.
You really do, Mom.
I know, that's why. The more you laugh at me, you'll look ugly later if you don't do exactly like me.
Will you please, I'm begging you, tag us if you actually do this in your own bathroom at home. Like tag us, DM us, post it on your gram. Tell me if you're actually going to try this because I want to make eye contact with which one of y'all will actually do what Mama Mai is doing.
Leave it for 15 minutes. I will be right back. Don't go away. Now I come back.
Why do you keep walking out, Mom? Just tell us to do it for 15 minutes and then you stay here.
In case I do a commercial. Advertise.
Your chest.
I will. My gosh. Don't worry.
Is this before you go to bed or is this before you go to work?
You go to bed.
Because if you did it before you go to work, you'd lose your job, Mom.
You go to bed. Take time and do it. I enjoy my skin. Don't worry.
Why do you enjoy taking so much time before you go to bed for your skin?
Don't worry now. I'm gonna steam my face. Move away.
This is my steamer that my stylist uses for me before I go to work.
Right. You can use that. You don't have to spend money. You're gonna steam your face like this. Make the pore open. Pore open, okay?
Let me watch what she's doing so I can correctly advise you because I know I've burned myself on a steamer a few times. I don't know what she's about to do. Don't try this at home until I say you still shouldn't try this at home.
You see? I enjoy. You can put the Chinese medicine, like a Chinese oil, mint. Now we're gonna be open the pore. I'm trying to tell you, you save money. You use this one, you iron your clothes. In the meantime, you use it. You don't waste
Wait, Mom,
anything.
is this? Let me feel.
It's good. Yeah.
But how do you advise people so they don't burn their face?
First of all, you put over here. You see how I feel it, and then you feel not really hot. You put it a bit lower, or you can put up. You can move it.
Have you ever burned your chin?
I never burn it. Look at my chin. I have no scar.
No what?
Never. No scar. You're so good.
Mom, why do you know so much about skincare? Like, how did you have time to practice so many different things? Did you do this when you were a kid?
Yeah. When I was young, I just do myself to relax.
Sit in the bathroom
Right.
by yourself.
By myself.
Why didn't you spend time with your family?
Because I don't want to. So I stay home, relax like this. Save money and think a lot of things, you know what I mean? Mama Mai gonna use aloe vera, fresh one, okay? American, like my daughter, they lazy. They buy the bottle. The bottle sometimes have a chemical. You don't trust anything. Use this one, put in your face. You see that?
Oh, okay. So guys, the aloe vera plant comes like this. I'm sure you've seen it. It looks like one
Right.
big tall cacti. Inside is this nutritious, amazing, clear gold.
Look at this one.
We always have a sprig of aloe vera in our fridge. We have it with like a saran wrap wrapped over the top and we put it in the fridge.
You put everything everywhere.
Mom, it
Don't
looks
worry. No, but it's good. And then you put all
It looks
over
like
the
something
neck.
else. Wipe it.
The shoe, when I wear it hurt, I put it like this.
Oh, when your heels.
Yes.
When your heels hurt. Your
Yeah,
feet.
you see that? I have one over here too.
Don't get it on my floors. Oh
Don't
my-
worry.
How did you get that scar? That's huge.
From the chip shoe.
See?
Forever.
Let's take this
Okay.
opportunity to invite you to go back into my archive and check out my amazing closet tour where I show you my favorite shoes and my quality shoes that won't do that to your foot.
Or you can eat raw.
Mom, just stop. Just go eat in the kitchen.
Really good. I don't waste anything. I'm gonna wait for another half an hour or 1 or 2 hours. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm coming now. Don't go away. Mama Mai is still here.
You're so full of shit.
Where am I?
Wash your face.
Oh, okay. Wash my face, okay? Thanks for inviting me. That's what you're here for. Cold water. Don't throw it this way. I'm gonna cook dessert.
Mom, I always wondered why you love skincare so much and you took so much time in the bathroom. It's a therapeutic thing for you because you did it so much when you were younger.
You feel much better, just like you relax. You know, when you're angry, you're upset. When I upset at my father, I just don't know what to do because I'm scared of him. So I just play with this. Some people, they play with the baby doll, play with the toy. I play with this one to help my skin.
So when you work on your skin now, does it bring you good memories or does it make you remember your childhood when you were hiding from your problems?
Sometimes, remind me. Yeah, once in a while, remind me about him. Bad thing, not good thing.
When you think about when you think about Grandpa in the past,
Right.
it makes you cry and you immediately want to shake it off. I'm glad you found something to therapeutically make you feel better, but it's also good to talk about it so you can move past it and
Right.
grow stronger from it. If you fam want to hear Mama Mai tell us more about her childhood, please comment below. And maybe if you read those comments, Mom, it'll encourage you
I will, yeah.
to talk to us about it.
Yeah.
When you're ready.
Sure. Thank you so much. That's why I'm happy I have my 3 kids. You know, really make me feel better now.
Well, you have 4 tattooed on your back.
Yeah, 4 of them. Yeah, that's my 3 kids and the other one.
So Mama Mai, the Clinique Smart Clinical MD, remember,
Uh-huh.
it's dual formulaed moisturizer.
You know, sometimes I don't have enough sleep. You know, I put over here, I watch too much internet.
She's busy reading y'all's comments
That's why.
and trolling other people's pages.
That's
she
why
loves doing
I have
that.
a lot of wrinkle for this, okay? I do that. The freeway, 101, 405, South, North, whatever. The rest of them, I use a white one.
Oh, that's good, Mom.
take time to use your, to take care of your skin.
This moisturizer targets dullness, wrinkles, and uneven tones. Ooh, it looks good on you. I like that sheen finish.
See, when you do gently.
Gently. But
That's
I
really
like how
good.
much time you took on yourself, Mom. I really do. And I think that I could try some more natural things from my skincare video, remember?
This one is good, try it.
You can see the difference immediately, and I love using this on show days. You can get this for $69 at the Clinique counter, super easy to find. And
You can use it daytime and nighttime too. If you want to look beautiful like Mama Mai or more than Mama Mai, you follow my Instagram and try this, okay?
Clinique, thank you so much for sponsoring this video.
Wait, Mama.
What the hell? When you tell me action, I'm action.
How that?
What are you doing?
Which camera I look at? Okay.
Oh my God, guys, that was a lot. Okay, please do comment below. Let us know what you thought and subscribe.
And subscribe.